Let's explore the useEffect cleanup function and how it prevents memory leaks in React applications. Cleanup is a function that runs either when a component unmounts or before the effect runs again. Think of it like a tidy-up operation, ensuring everything is neat and orderly. Here's the basic syntax for using a cleanup function within useEffect. Inside useEffect, you write your effect logic. Then you return a function. This return function contains your cleanup logic. This cleanup function will be executed when the component unmounts or before the effect runs again. Let's look at an example of cleaning up a timer. Inside the useEffect hook, a timer is set up using setInterval to log timer tick every 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. The cleanup function returned by useEffect uses clearInterval to stop the timer when the component unmounts. This prevents the timer from continuing to run in the background and causing memory leaks. Here's an example of how to clean up an event listener. Inside the useEffect hook, an event listener is added to the window to listen for click events. When a click occurs, the handler function logs clicked to the console. The cleanup function returned by useEffect removes the event listener from the window when the component unmounts. This prevents potential memory leaks and ensures that the event listener is properly removed. Let's see how to clean up a subscription. Inside the useEffect hook, the component subscribes to an API service using API-service.subscribe. Whenever data is received, the setData function is called to update the component's state. The cleanup function returned by useEffect unsubscribes from the API service using subscription, unsubscribe when the component unmounts. This prevents memory leaks by ensuring that the component no longer listens for updates after it has been unmounted. Let's understand the memory leak problem and its solution. Without cleanup, timers and listeners continue running even after the component unmounts, which can lead to memory leaks. With cleanup, resources are properly released, preventing memory leaks and ensuring efficient resource management. Here are some key takeaways. Always clean up timers and intervals to prevent them from running indefinitely in the background. Remove event listeners when the component unmounts to avoid unexpected behavior and memory leaks. Unsubscribe from API subscriptions to stop receiving updates when the component is no longer in use. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.